I'm really excited about the new season that we are beginning this summer. We're calling it 12 Powers, Real to Real. And it's going to explore the Unity 12 Powers through film. They're mostly older movies that we have all seen, or maybe some of them will be new to you. This first week, I'm going to do an overview of what the 12 powers are. So some of you know about it and others, this is new news, but it's really about the innate power that we all have. We come pre-wired with it. And what seems to be outside of us is really inside, if only we know it and we access it. So in this first segment, I'm going to be using the movie The Matrix, where Neo starts out as he's looking for something. He knows there's more to life than what he's experiencing, and he discovers the innate power that he has, but he has to come to believe in himself. So we're going to look at that in more detail, and I invite you to really stay tuned, not only this Sunday, but all summer long, as various people are going to explore each of the 12 powers through cinema.